Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download all your Google Photos in one click. That's right, every single photo and video from your Google account all at once. This method works perfectly on both your laptop and phone's browser, and it's super easy. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to takeout.google.com. This is Google Takeout, the official tool that lets you export and download all your data from Google services, including your photos. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that has the photos you want to download. Once you're on the page, you'll see a long list of Google products. At the top, click Deselect All to uncheck everything. Then scroll down until you find Google Photos and tick the box next to it. You can click on All Photo Albums Included if you want to choose specific folders, or just leave it as it is to download everything. Next, scroll to the bottom and click Next Step. Now, you'll need to choose how you want to get your files. Under Delivery Method, select Send Download Link via email. That's the easiest option. Then, under Frequency, choose Export Once, and for file type and size, pick Zip into file size, like 2 GB or 5 GB, depending on your preference. Once everything looks good, click Create Export. Google will now start preparing your download. This might take a few minutes, or even a few hours, depending on how many photos you have. When it's ready, you'll get an email with a Download Your Files button. Click that link, sign in again for security, and your entire Google Photos library will download as zip files. And that's it! You've just downloaded all your Google Photos in one click using Google Takeout. Now you can extract the zip files and save them anywhere your computer, external drive, or another cloud storage service. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more simple and useful tech tutorials. See you in the next one.